Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this is a new video of the new series, which is how to design your home according to the Feng Shui principles. And in this series, we're gonna find many videos talk about Feng Shui in your home, in your bedroom, in your living room. And if you don't know what Feng Shui is, check out the first video in this series. I talked about what is the Feng Shui and what the 5 elements of it, which are water, wind, fire, wood, and metal, and what each one of these symbolizing for. And I shared with you some guidelines to how to apply it in your space to help and ease the free flow of qi according to the old Chinese philosophy, and how this will affect your energy, productivity, and your mentally and physically health. So before we get started, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect and designer, and you are watching Decor Time. And this channel is all about decor and gives you tips and tricks for your interior design if you are remodeling or renovate your space. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. So today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips to how to lay out your bathroom and what the mistakes if you have and how to fix it to apply the Feng Shui principles. So stay tuned. So since the bathrooms are tricky rooms in your home for flowing your qi, because the amount of water drains, like the toilet and drains you have in your bathroom and your sinks are creating a bad energy, are actually pushing away or drain the good energy in your house. So if you are starting building your house or you're modeling it and able to move your bathroom, do not place your bathroom in 2 places in your house. First, do not place it directly in front of the entry door of your house, because this is the area which the first place your qi is start to flow in your house. So you don't want this qi conflict with any dirty place or bad smells or any kind of that. And if you already have your bathroom in this location, try to fix it by keep the door closed most of the time, or you can always use like a room divider or partitions between your front door and the bathroom. So you close the view, you can see what's inside it. It will work as well. The second bad placement for your bathroom is the center of your house, because your center of your house is the heart of your house. You don't want to start your qi or like bring the center of your house qi from a dirty, smelly place usually. And also, if you cannot do anything about that and your bathroom exactly in the center of your house, always keep it clean and use a good ventilation system for the bathroom and use a good amount of lighting. Another tip, do not face your bathroom to the kitchen door, because bathroom represent water and kitchen represent fire. Water and fire can make a conflict in between. Again, if you want to fix this problem and you have nothing to do about it, just use a room divider, which is like, for me, is like the only perfect solution for these problems. Also, the master bedroom. Usually master bedroom always has a bathroom inside, so it's not recommended if you follow Feng Shui principles to have a bathroom inside your bedroom. But if you have so, you can keep the door closed and keep also the bathroom very clean. And again, try to use the room divider between in front of the bathroom door to the rest of the room. And do not ever place your bed in a position the person who's sleeping on it, his feet facing the door of the bathroom, because it's not good for your qi. So now let's talk about the mirrors in the bathroom. You cannot place your mirror or your vanity with the mirror right in front of the entry door of the bathroom. As we mentioned before in the previous videos about the mirrors, mirrors reflect the energy in the place, which create too much energy for the place. So you can place your mirror in different angle from the entry door of your bathroom. Try to incorporate some plants in your bathroom. I meant natural plant with the soil. That's to bring the earth element to your place, which help a lot with the qi. But remember, stay away from the sharpy, spiky plants. Always go with the curvy, smooth leaves of the plants. And don't forget to get a good amount of lighting in your bathroom And don't leave any corner dark or weak lighting. It doesn't help with the chi. When you incorporate the plants, you also need to incorporate wood elements. Wood is one of the best to include in the bathroom. It goes well with the water and represent wealth, family, health, and prosperity. And you can use it as like mirror frame or your vanity material, or you can use this wooden ladder to hang your towels on it and keep the bathroom organized and clean, and also to give you a vertical vibe in your place, which help with the chi. Okay guys, we came to the end of the video. If you see this video is useful, please share it with your friends and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. And see you next time. Bye bye.